What is layering of perfumes? Layering of perfumes is when more than one perfume is used by a person on the body or apparel at the same time. The different perfumes used for layering could be having fragrances notes that are similar so as to reinforce the fragrance notes, or could be having different notes so as to have the benefit of variety of fragrances. Some wear different perfumes, one over the other, on the same area of the body or clothes. Some others use the different perfumes on different parts of the body. For example, some may use one perfume on the left side of the body and another perfume on the right side of the body. Some use products like soaps, shower gels, body lotions, creams, perfumes, etc. that have similar fragrance notes to reinforce the fragrances. Some others use these products with different fragrance notes for more variety. Layering can be used to creatively mix and match fragrances, either for reinforcing fragrance notes or for getting the benefit of more variety of fragrance notes. Some use layering of perfumes only on special occasions. Some do it regularly as a routine. Layering of perfumes offers interesting options, but generally most people prefer to use only one perfume at a time without layering.